Each day, millions of tons of raw materials arrive on barges, trucks, and trains to our roofing plants to be transformed into high-quality, durable roofing shingles. Certainteed consumes 4 million barrels of asphalt per year. Asphalt, also known as bitumen, is a sticky, black, and highly viscous liquid form of petroleum. Asphalt is processed to meet the quality standards and performance requirements needed to create a durable yet flexible shingle. Annually, more than 120,000 truck and rail car loads of limestone and colored granules arrive from our quarries and are processed by crushing mills. The limestone powder is blended with the asphalt to create a filled coating, the base for the shingle. Inside the plant, rolls of fiberglass mat are brought into the manufacturing area and spliced together at the unwind end of the production line to create one continuous fiberglass sheet. In the course of a year, we consume over 3,000 square miles of glass mat. Glass mat is fed into the coater where the filled coating, now heated to more than 400 degrees Fahrenheit, is applied to the top and bottom, which provides waterproof properties to the product. A mylar tape is then applied to the back of the sheet and becomes a permanent fingerprint of manufacturing conditions at the time of production, including manufacturing site, day, time, and all process conditions. Granules are fed from silos into the automated blend system to create the unique color palettes for our roofing products. Once the granules are applied, pressed, and embed in the hot coating, it's time to remove the excess heat. Cooling is a critical step because the mat is literally too hot to handle. From the cooling section, the sheet enters the finished product looper. Sealant is applied to the sheet for protection against high wind. On to the cutting machines where sheets are cut into individual shingles, stacked, and packed into bundles. Quality controls are implemented throughout all phases of the manufacturing process, guaranteeing our products meet our customers' expectations. Our 10 plants ship thousands of truckloads of quality products daily to protect and beautify North American homes.